This Autodesk Fusion tutorial is part of a series of learning Autodesk Fusion fast from a mechanical drawing problems textbook. Each video in the series goes through a different mechanical drawing problem and then makes that drawing in Fusion, learning new techniques and 3D modeling methods along the way. This Plate 5 diagram from the mechanical drawing problems textbook has a T-slot. We're going to draw the side view of this T-slot and then extrude it so we have this piece in Fusion. The first thing to do is just go ahead and draw in this shape in Fusion. To do that, create a sketch, select this wall, then press L, and we'll draw the T-slot. You don't have to be perfect with your drawing, but get the general shape. Now we'll use sketch constraints in Fusion to make this more constrained. First, select the collinear constraint. I can select this line, and now they stay collinear. I can do the same thing with these two lines because I know I want them to be the same. We can also use the equals constraint on this line and this line because I want those to be equal. The same with this one and this one. Next, we can use the midpoint constraint on this line and the origin. This will snap it to the middle. Next, let's look back at the sketch and start adding some dimensions. Here we know this overall dimension is 3.5 inches by 1 3/4 tall. Press D, select this line, 3.5 IN. Then select this line, 1.75 IN. Next, we can put this dimension of 3/4 and 1 5/16. Press D, select this line, then this line, 0.75 IN, 1 5/16 IN. Now we can add this 9/16 and 1/2 inch dimension. Press D, click this line, 9/16. Sometimes Fusion doesn't let you type in a fraction, but you can put times 1 and then the unit and it'll work fine. Select this line, 0.5 IN. Now we have all the dimensions for our sketch, and we can double check that in the browser, and we see this red padlock. That means our sketch is fully constrained. We can finish the sketch and then extrude. Here we can see this particular piece is 5 inches long. So we'll press E, select the piece. The direction will be symmetric. The distance will be 2.5 inches. And now we have a T-slot that we've modeled from a mechanical drawing problem in a textbook. We've learned some new Fusion operations along the way, and we will continue with this series learning Fusion and drawing principles. We could have made this with a symmetrical option and a mirror, but we'll explore that in the next lesson. Happy 3D modeling.